Okay, hi, assalamualaikum everyone. I really hope that you all have a great day today. Okay, today we are going to continue our lesson, which is still chapter 1. We are going to discuss extra exercises. Okay, if you haven't seen my video, please check it out. The first 10 or 15 question that we have discussed with other classes. Okay, please make sure that you have watched thoroughly um, the videos. Really hope that it will help you in assisting and completing your extra exercises. And today we will continue. If there is any problem arises among you, okay? Okay, so we will discuss. All right. So which question that you want me to discuss? Let's start sharing my screen. From 1 until 3. Any problems? Ada yang tanya cikgu 1C and 1D. I pelik juga tu. Adakah dia baru buat 1C and 1D? Ataupun dia dah buat semua kecuali 1C and 1D? Orang lain macam mana? 1C, 1D okey ke? Nak discuss ke? Tak payah?
Okay, madam.
Okay, yang cakap okay tu please screenshot 1C and share at the Telegram group because some of your friends still asking me question 1C. Okay, lagi soalan lain? Nombor berapa?
Tensi, Miss.
10C. Okay. Without using calculator, the question. Okay, first of all, there are two things that you have to give extra attention. You ask yourself, first question in solving log, is there any coefficient at the front? If there is any coefficient at the front, you have to bring it at the back. Menggunakan properties M log B is equals to log B to the power of M. And also, is the question given to you, the base are all the same? In our case, the base are all the same. So your life will be a lot easier. But if the base are not the same or otherwise different, dengan kata lainnya different, in other words, you have to equalize the base. You have to do something with the base using the properties. Log B to the power of log B base A is equals to log B over log A base B is equals to log A base log B. Okay, and you may introduce any base as long as top and bottom must be the same. Okay, so in our case, we're not going to discuss these properties lah, since all the base are all the same 10. Kalau dia tak tulis pun, you tahu dia adalah base 10. Okay, so meaning that this question is a lot easier sebenarnya. Okay, so what you have to do is using the properties log M plus log N is equals to log Mn. Okay, so that's what we're gonna do lah. Log base 10, cert 8 times cert 27 over 5. Okay. Over with, okay, 3 over 2 ini you bring at the back. Okay, so it becoming log base 10 6 3 over 2 over 5. So over 5 dengan over 5 boleh. Okay, sekejap, jangan cancel dulu. Sekejap dia tak cancel sekejap. No 5. No dia tak ada set dia 5 saja kan. Okay, dia 5 saja. Okay. Apa lagi kita boleh buat Kita boleh buat 8 ni adalah apa? 8 ni adalah 4 times 2 or 2 to the power of 3. Betul?
Betul.
Okay, ataupun 27 darab 8 berapa? Mana lagi senang? Kita set satu persatu ataupun kita buat dulu 27 darab dengan 8? Cuba tengok 27 darab 8 berapa?
216.
216 ada tak square root ke cube root ke 216? Cuba buat cube root 216 ataupun square root 216 dapat apa? Okay, ataupun kalau within our capability kan, within our capability kita tahu 8 ini adalah 8 is basically 2 to the power of 3. Okay, 8 adalah 2 to the power of 3 and then we have over 2 because set. Okay, and then 27 adalah basically 3 to the power of 3. Because 3 to the power of 1 adalah 3 to the power of 1 adalah 3 to the power of 2 is 9, 3 to the power of 3 is 27, therefore 3 power of 3 is 27 and then we have set over here. So ada set, dia akan jadi itulah. Okay, over with what? Log base 10 6 3 to the power of 3 over 5. Okay, ini pun masih ada over 5 lagi yang tertinggal Log over 5 and then this part sekejap nak accept ni, admit. Okay, you jangan masuk lambat nanti terganggu I punya pengajaran. Okay, kemudiannya dia adalah yang bawah ni masih lagi log base 10 6 3 over 2 over 5. And then you nampak ni apa? 2 times 3 adalah 6. Log 2 6 3 over 2 over 5 over with log 6 3 over 2 and again since they are all equal top and bottom dia adalah equals to 1. Senang saja. Okay? Boleh? Boleh tak?
Boleh, Miss.
So you use the correct properties. You tengok dia sama atas dan bawah 236, 6, 3/2, 6, 3/2. Okay. So cancel out top and bottom. So it's equals to 1. Okay. So that's for C. And then what else? Which question? Okay. Ada yang tanya I soalan 9C. Mari kita buat 9C. Okay. Soalan dia adalah express each of the following. Express each of the following as a single log. Okay, I actually have discussed this question. If you check my video, Control V. But I did for question A kot. BC, I asked the student to try themselves. Okay, but then again, one of your friends still asking for C, maybe because 3 is nombor bulat. Dia tak ada lock, dia dah panic macam ni. So if you manage to do B, I'm sure that you will be managed to do C as well. So why not we discuss? Okay, number 9C. Okay. Express each of the following as a single log. So maksudnya ini semua kena combine jadi satu log sahaja. Okay, so first step what you do is you have to create what is the equivalent function supaya base 3. So you can create log 3 base 3. Why? Because we know that log A base A will equals to 1. But you don't choose log 2 base 2. Walaupun dia 1 tetapi dia akan menyusahkan you. Because apa? Base dia tidak sama. So what you do, you have to introduce the same base. Introduce log A base A equals to 1, but you choose the same base as the first term. Understand or not, students?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
So once you dah
Betul.
ada ini, you are actually not changing the question at all. You are actually just recreate. You just modify the function. Okay. So 3 darab 1, adakah you mengubah soalan? No. Not at all. Sama juga. The values are still equal 3. Okay. Next step is you are using the properties log 3 m to the power of 1 over 2. When you have coefficient, you bring it to the back. Log 3 to the power of 3. Okay, so here you are using the properties of m log b to the power is equals to log b to the power of m. Okay. And then equal with log 3 m1 over 2 since it is plus. So you can multiply together. 3 to the power of 3 is 27. So your answer will be 27 sed m. See, this is we call single term. Dia ada satu je. Boleh tak?
Boleh.
So sama juga macam 2 ni. Okay, kalau 2, I ask you now. What log will you introduce at B? Log apa?
Log A.
Yes, exactly. Log base A. So kalau log base A, so ini pun mesti A juga. So that it is actually equals to 1. So you are not changing the question earlier, which is given to you 2. So lepas you samakan ni semua, you use the properties 3xy Okay, ini mesti bawa ke atas dulu. Over 5y times A to the power of 2. Okay, you buat sendiri 9b and then you let me know what's the answer. Okay? Clear, everyone?
Yes, madam.
Yes,
Yes.
madam.
Yes, madam.
Alhamdulillah. Okay, next. Other question. Okay, ada yang tanya 11 juga. Okay, I think soalan 11 ni is good to discuss 11. Because it consists of proving type of question where students are having so much trouble in solving proving type. So why not we discuss this kind of function, this kind of question? Okay. Given, okay, given as stated there, and then they want you to prove 4m square plus n square equals to 13mn. Okay, so you have to do something with this given equation ni. Okay, kita kena modify jadi yang dekat bawah ni tanpa ada sebarang log so we do what we can do for the pink one. We have to solve whatever we can do for the given equation yang atas ni, yang pink ni. Okay, semua ni. Okay, jadinya kita buatlah. Okay, so first we expand dulu. Since it is plus, so it becoming 1 over 2 log m plus 1 over 2 log n. Okay, equals to log 2m minus n over 3. Okay, and then as usual, 1 over 2 you bring at the back, okay, the coefficient. So it becoming log m 1 over 2 plus log n 1 over 2 equals to same. Okay, nothing you do for the right hand side. Okay, next. Okay, make sure bracket for the whole thing. Okay, so now log, okay, since it is plus, so it is apa? Multiply together equals to log 2m minus n over 3. Ni tadi besar macam tu. Okay. So since log dengan log at both sides, so you can compare. You can compare the function itself. Okay, so the function itself will be m n equals to 2m minus n over 3. So now you square both sides because we want to get rid of the square. Okay, so m plus n equals to, okay everyone, square. So jadi 2 square for m square minus the multiplication of every function. 2 times n, 2n times 2, 2 times 2, 4 mn minus n square. Siapa yang tak boleh congak macam cikgu, dia kena kembangkan satu persatu. Okay? Kembangkan macam tu. Okay? Macam I congak sahaja. Okay? Over with 3 square. So 9. So 9 you bring to the left. Over 9. So 9 you bring to the left becoming apa? 9m plus apa? 9n 4m square. Okay, sekejap. Oh, mana ada tambah darab kan? Kenapa tak ada yang ni perasan? mn Okay, so 9mn minus 4mn minus apa? N square. So, kenapa kita nak square-square lagi? 4 minus 1 adalah apa? 4 minus 1 adalah? Oh, tak boleh. This is m square. Ini n square. Okay. Alright. So, now we solve for m square. Okay. 9mn plus 4mn. So, becoming 13mn. Okay, kembangkan dapat positif n square. So yeah, this is your final answer. So since dia nak prove, you tulis write down proven. Okay, students, is it clear to you?
Yeah.
Yes,
Yeah,
madam.
madam.
Hmm. Okay. So it's good this question. Ada soalan? Tak ada soalan? Every step ni faham?
Faham.
Okay, good. Lagi soalan lain? Lagi soalan lain?
Seven G, madam.
7G. Okay, 7G ni pun bagus. Ada yang PMI and dia berjaya pun dapat pun. Bagus. After a small guidance, after a little guidance, dia boleh buat. So that's why UPM ni kalau you ada masalah, kadang-kadang you just need one sentence je untuk membolehkan you menjawab soalan tu. Sebab you all ni pandai-pandai belaka cuma kena rajin sahaja. Okay. So apa kita buat adalah we have to conjugate one by one. Biasa you ada sebelah je sayang. Biasa you ada sebelah je. And then dia suruh you selesaikan. Kali ini pun kena conjugate, ini pun kena conjugate sebab dua-dua function ini adalah rationalized function. Irrational function. Irrational function tu sebab dia ada set on the denominator. Both are irrational function. Both term are irrational function because it has set at the denominator. Clear tak students? Because you kena tahu kenapa dia irrational dulu barulah you boleh membuat kesimpulan sesuatu kesimpulan Okay. Jadi setelah melihat that we are given two irrational function, we have to make it rational lah one by one Okay, 5. Sekejap, I tulis semula. 1 over set 5 minus set 3. Okay, conjugate with set 5 plus set 3. Okay, settle part itu. And then minus with 1 over 1 plus set 3 times with 1 minus set 3. Ada yang having problems ke nak pilih the denominator tu apa?
No.
Denominator maksud cikgu the conjugate tu apa? Ini you nak buat kurungan kat situ pun boleh, you nak buat itu pun boleh Okay, kita selesaikan one by one. Okay, let's try the pink one first. Let's solve the pink one. Okay. So 1 times apa-apa function pun dapat 5 set 3. And then you expand set 5 dengan set 5 dapat 5. Plus 3 set 5 minus. Okay. Plus 3 set 5 minus 3 set 5. So dia adalah benda yang sama. And then minus set 3. So dapat 3. So this one can cancel. And then this one the green color 1. Okay, green color. Dalam bracket 1 minus set 3 over 1 minus 3. I tahu dia adalah 1 minus 3. Sebab apa? 1 times 1, 1. Minus set 3 plus set 3 cancel out each other. So set 3 dapat 3. Okay. Alright. So now, we continue. 5 plus set 3 over 5 minus 3, 2. Minus with 1 minus set 3 over negative 2. Okay. So negative, negative, positive 2, and on the left hand side, dua-dua pun left, masuk cikgu the first term. Sebab dia dah dia punya denominator tu sama, kita boleh straight away kira lah. Okay. Ini semua kena buat equal kat sini. Equal, equal, equal. And lastly, okay. Ini dah tukar plus kan tadi kan? So dia adalah satu function yang sama lah. So set 3 and negative set 3 boleh cancel out each other. So your final answer would be set 5 plus 1 over 2. Okay. So ini adalah bentuk A plus set B. Kalau ditanya what is your A? So you kena rearrange balik lah. You kena rearrange function ini jadi apa? Jadi 1 over 2 plus set 5 over 2. Barulah you dapat dalam bentuk ini adalah dalam bentuk A plus set B, where your A adalah 1 over 2, your B adalah 5 over 2. Is it clear to you?
Yes.
Kalau disuruh solve, macam ni pun is acceptable. This one also acceptable. But if the question asks you, give your answer in a form of A plus set B. So you kena rearrange sedikit lah. Okay, lagi. Lagi? Nombor berapa? Lagi nombor berapa? Dah, semua boleh buat. Okay, kalau tak ada soalan, we end our session today. Okay, jadi macam mana? So far so good semua?
Yes.
So far so good.
Okay, good. I nak tanya, you are actually watch the videos ke tak? Ada masa untuk watch the videos atau tidak?
Ada.
Did you manage to watch all the videos? But you tahu you can fast forward kan the videos?
Yes.
Yes.
Kalau you rasa lambat sangat kan, you nak cepat, you nak tengok example apa yang discuss, you boleh tarik-tarik, you can drag, you can adjust the speed of the videos. Okay. Alright, if you have no other question, okay, remains in your mind, your head, maybe you want to give an attempt to try all the questions first, and then later you want to private message me, you may do that as well. Okay. Alright, I think that's it for today. So we have done this chapter. Next week we can go to new chapter. All right, you can download the notes given to you at the Google Classroom. Okay, have you entered the class code for the Google Classroom?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, madam.
Yes.
Okay, good. So I do expect that you print it out, okay, the notes, so that you can write down all the extra notes that I might discuss with you. Okay. Even though our classes is only on Thursday and Friday, and there's one day and yang ada 1 jam sahaja tu, but you are actually have access to all the videos that I have discussed with other classes as well. Daripada Monday sampailah Wednesday. Sampailah Friday. Setiap hari, every teaching session ni, every learning session I have recorded and upload at the YouTube. So please, find your own sweet time to watch. Okay? Alright? Boleh?
Boleh, madam.
Boleh, madam.
Okay. But then
Boleh,
if you
madam.
still have your question, if you still have question in mind, still cannot do because the one that I explaining are different with what you did for the exercises, okay, you may PM me, tak ada masalah. I will assist you, I will assist you. But then syaratnya, once I have assist you, you have to show me what is the progress. Maksudnya, I tunggu. Setelah I explain, I tunggu you selesaikan soalan itu sampai berjaya. Okay, because of course, I want the result. Bila you tanya, I jawab, and then of course I nak tengok whether you are able, whether you understand what am I explaining to you individually. Okay, so try your best this weekend. Okay, I wish you all the best in your studies. Walaupun these first 2 weeks, please letak gear 5. Jangan honeymoon mood because you may sit for your UPS very soon. Very soon. Chapter 1 and chapter 2. Once you finish chapter 2, that's why kalau boleh I habis awal so that I can discuss balik, do revision a bit with you. Or if you have any other question to discuss. Alright. So I think that's it for today. Bye. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Thank you.
Waalaikumsalam.
Thank
Thank
you,
you,
madam.
Thank you, madam. Waalaikumsalam,
Thank you,
madam.
madam.
Thank you,
Thank
madam.
you, madam.
Okay.
Thank you, madam.
Thank you, madam.